Hello everyone. So हम यहाँ आए हुए हैं आज Shahabuddin Park. It's also called Ladies Park for some reason, but it is so green. You will rarely find gardens like these in Karachi at least. So let me show you. Also, there are like so many trees covered in jackfruit right now. So I think you'll be excited to see that. Look at the greenery. Oh my god, it is so serene, and the fact कि अभी monsoon season चल रहा है and कल ही बहुत तेज़ बारिश हुई है, तो the मौसम is like really not as hot and suffocating as it was like a few days back. Like it was difficult to breathe, but it's beautiful. Just look at this. ये देखें, हर 4 दरख्त छोड़ के there is one that has jackfruits growing from top to bottom. So ये besides this little lake pond type that they've made, there is this sitting area. यहाँ पे people come and they sit in the evenings and they have their tea and they have their snacks and stuff. It's a nice place for families to come to. So this is the sitting area up close, and it leads down to this big circle where you can just stand and look at the lake. Even though sadly this lake / pond is like very green and doesn't seem like the most, I mean, I wouldn't want to like stand here and take a deep breath or anything, but if the water was clear, अगर ये पानी साफ होता तो. Also this little thing right here, this is a fountain. Like Maghrib ke time ke around, it like opens up and there's like a little fountain show that like people enjoy. I've been here before and I've seen that fountain show, but abhi main thoda dophar ke time mein aayi hu, so I don't think I'll be able to show you that, but if I do come here again, I will definitely show it to you. It's very nice. So let me take you on this very beautiful trail that I see here. It's almost as if I'm in a forest. Yeah, look at this. ये जो सिटिंग एरिया ना उसके बिल्कुल साइड पे ही है, but God, is it beautiful. Okay, so I've come across this tree that is covered in jackfruits. You've got to see this.
What you are doing?
अच्छा, the best part about this is कि ये काफ़ी नीचे, मतलब मैंने ऐसा कोई ट्री नहीं देखा जो इतना नीचे जो है वो फ्रूट उगता हो, और ये शुरू इतना नीचे होता है and then it goes all the way up right to the top. You will see them here and here. Like तो they grow very differently from any other fruit I've come across. See, there's a bunch over here and here, and they're like